Some of you may put their plants outside during summer, but now it's fall and you need to bring them inside because they will die for the cold. But you don't want to put your pot directly on the windowsill. There is some maintenance to do because the last thing you want is to bring pests and other insects inside your house. So today I will show you what I do on the pots that I plan to bring inside. Hi, my name is Remy and I love Nepenthes. If you live in a temperate climate, meaning you have a hot, warm summer but you have cold winters, you may put your plants outside, your Nepenthes pot outside, so they can enjoy the sun, the nature, get some insect, etc. But you need to bring them back inside your house because as soon as it will be too cold, they will die. So that's something I do every year. And I will show you what I do to prevent all the problem from getting something from outside and bring it inside, especially pests, insects, and potentially everything else. So this video is filmed on September 22, so obviously nights are getting really cold and you can tell it's fall and soon it will be winter. This tray stayed outside for the last 3 months, so here, have a look. Oh, a rabbit probably ate this pitcher to try, but it didn't like it. What else? Oh, there is a lot of water here. It's been raining crazy lately. So, totally submerged. You have also some weeds, but we still have some pitchers. Not a lot. 2 months ago it was way better, but now it's not even 10 degrees at night, so it's really cold. 10 degrees Celsius being 50 Fahrenheit. By the way, that's Nepenthes Gaia, so this one like it warmer. And beside that, Nepenthes Ventrata. So Ventrata seems to really accept colder temperature, and as you see, there is plenty of pitcher. It's still soaking wet. It was not like that all summer, but since a week it's been raining. So again, all the pitchers stayed properly, so that's great. The plants accept totally being outside. And each started to do a lot of basil activating dormant nodes, etc. So it's getting really bushy and I will have to clean this whole thing. But overall, I mean, the plant is healthy, no sunburn, everything looks great. The fun thing of putting carnivorous plant outside is the way they catch prey. So big pitchers like that, usually they are full of ants. That's the main yeah, maybe there is something inside. I will try to show you, but that's really not easy. Okay, 1 sec. Ah yeah, I see something. A wasp. Yeah, good. Less wasp in the backyard. I like it. Okay, so now let's clean these old plants before bringing it inside. So the first step, you will need clean water. So personally, I use rainwater because it's free. Then comes the cleaning. So I will try to get all the liquid inside the pitchers for you. So we'll see what is inside. And basically you will cut everything that is dead or dying. So you only want some fresh leaves inside your house. I will speed up a little bit. Oh, and check all the angles. For example, the new growth, the leaf is folded, so you want to check inside if there is nothing. So here is the juice inside the pitcher. So in the center you can see a spider, at least 2 spider, 4 wasp, some ants. So the pitchers are pretty effective on the Ventrata. And then you will unpot the whole plant and clean as much substrate as you can. Oh, and if you are wondering why I'm cleaning the substrate, let me show you what was inside the Gaia. Look at that. That's a slug. Disgusting little thing that you don't want inside your house. And on the main root system, you want to take as much substrate as you can. And let's be serious, inside the really deep root ball, you won't have any slug there. It was way too compact. They stay on the side of the pot. Last step, again, some rainwater, just to clean the whole plant. And finally, you repot them in fresh media. I won't put them directly on the windowsill because I want to quarantine those plants because they were outside. And here is my quarantine zone. So that's where all the cuttings are done, all the plants that are kind of recovering. And this is the old Sensi grow light I use, 70 watt. So as you see, it blows a lot of light and I have a lot of space available. So for now, I have more space than plants, but I'm working on it. Soon, those plants will be gone. Those cuttings could be sold. I could, probably put something like 6 trays, maybe. So that's going to be plenty of space. If you want to learn how to repot a plant, here is a video for you. Please like and subscribe, it's always helping, and until next time, happy growing!